Hi, this is an intro to my profile. I'll go briefly through my experience and highlight the key things that I think will be useful for you to know. Let's start with the overall experience. I have 14 years as a product manager in the roles of from the junior, of course I started as a junior, and up to a chief product officer. Across this experience, the main skill that I used is rapid prototyping and ability to map the processes and the increments. I would say I'm very technically minded in that sense. So I used rapid prototyping and coaching the teams, using metrics to understand the current place the business is, and iterating on new things and seeing how they impact the current flow. With that, I'm kind of full stack at this point, so usual things: HTML, JS, Python, if there is a data heavy app, and at this point I'm usually using either Render or AWS to host it. I also had some experience with PHP and WordPress and Laravel. This all helps to build a quick and dirty prototype to test the idea that in theory would enhance the flow of the existing business, or if it's a new startup, then giving the client a relief from his current pain in the process and entering the market. So go to market strategy in that sense. In day-to-days, I use a lot of AI and Claude Code at this point. Before that, it was less of AI because I'm 14 years in this profession, and there were times when I was doing this all manually. But an LLM now is a great helper. You can see at the top, these are the companies that I worked with and done projects for, 9 of them. So HR1, there I built a dentist practice CRM where you can manage clients and where you can store the healthcare information of the patients. GoPuff is an e-commerce shop where you can buy snacks and drinks. L'Oreal, there we developed, and when I say we, it's me and my team usually, because as a product manager I was leading teams. So we as a team built an internal marketplace for Leroy Merlin to buy the products that they don't have in stock currently, so that they can fulfill the purchase. With Delhaize, I was governing the data analytics using Adobe Analytics Suite, and with the team we made sure that the appropriate data is collected, ETL process is in place, and the dashboards that all other teams use show the relevant information. On the camp, using LLMs, I was helping to onboard thousands of SKUs automatically and dynamically setting the price for the product so that the product is purchased at the best price and doesn't lay on the shelves for a long time. With MasterCard, I developed a P2P payment where a person can send the money through Viber or telephone number through SMS. With Bookly, we developed and iterated on the product that is a booking plugin for WordPress. With Kara, we built an internal CRM system for managing creator marketing campaigns, where we used a lot of AI to predict the performance of the creator, to give the feedback to the creators about their assets. And this increased the flow of the business flow, and by that the team could accomplish 25 million annual revenue that when we started was 2.5 million. And with Blockit, I'm now leading the AI and productivity across all of the product departments, helping them to rapidly prototype the new versions, test their hypotheses, and develop analytics and see how the processes behave and how they can be improved in the short scope. So in summary, I can help you either to make a quick prototype with your idea, even in some cases in a day, to test your hypothesis and an idea to show it to your clients or potential clients. If you have an existing code base and you need a new solution made, new feature developed, I can help you with that. With rapid prototyping, I can give you quickly a draft of the feature, and you will be able to click through it, play with it, give some feedback on which we can iterate further. And in general, I can help you with product management, full stack applications, prototyping, or just have a chat. So if you're interested in working together, send me a message and let's talk. Cheers.